this video, we are going to cover the merchandising feature that lives within the Searchspring management console. So we'll go ahead and click here to the left into the merchandising tab. We'll be using our try.searchspring account to demo this. And right off the bat, you can see that we have two different campaigns, your global campaigns as well as all or individual campaigns. For this video, we'll be focusing on the global campaign. So we'll click into the one we do already have set up for this account. And again, this has already been set up, so we'll just walk through the examples of the rules that are set in place here. You'll immediately see your entire product catalog pulled in. So a global campaign is going to appear on any Searchspring powered page throughout your site, so your search results or your category pages or your category pages. So go ahead and click into the boost rules. What boost rules are allowing you to do is determine particular product attributes that you would like to promote throughout the site. So in this case, we are saying we would like to see in-stock products show up at the top of the results. We'd like to see newer products, so less than 30 days old, show up at the top, as well as we're promoting by seasonality here. And you can see that a boost rule is being fulfilled by this radial filled in to the side. So within each grouping, you might be wondering how the products are going to order themselves, and that is done based on the subsort that you have in place here. So in this case, we are sorting the products within each grouping by sales rank from high to low. So you can see that showing up here. Got this one, and then it starts to grow lower as the product grouping goes down. And then if there is a tie between the two final products within a grouping, that default sort option right here is going to be your final tiebreaker. What I mean by groupings is that eventually we will not be able to fulfill all three of these boost rules. And in that case, we would then create a second grouping, fulfilling as many boost rules as possible from the top to bottom. We'll go ahead and jump into banners here. Again, this is going to be for your global campaign, so site-wide. These banners tend to be things like a site-wide sale or free shipping site-wide, those kinds of topics that we'll cover with these banners. You do have 5 banner options. You have primary banner and secondary banner, which will appear above the search results right here. Your left-hand banner, which will appear below the filter navigation on the left-hand side. The footer, which will appear directly below the search results. And then if you are on our expert or advanced tier, you do have an inline banner option as well, which will take up one of the product cards on the page, just like this position number 5 here. You've got 3 types of banner displays. You could do an image, a video supported by YouTube or Vimeo, as well as custom HTML or CSS. You are also able to schedule out global campaigns. It is best practice to have an indefinite campaign with just your general boost rules in place that runs, again, indefinitely. But let's say we do have this scenario where we have a site-wide sale happening for just this weekend. You could come in and select the date range that you'd like that sale to take place down to the minute. And once that time period is up, it would then revert back to an indefinite campaign if you had one in place. You cannot have multiple global campaigns running at the same time, but you can have several set up. Once you've finished creating your global campaign, you would come up here and click Save and Publish, and this will move it and publish it live to the site.